Hello, my friends. It is the 11th of the month or later. That means it's new stamp set time. Yay! It's special release stamp set day. Now, usually we only release three new stamp sets a month, but this month we have an extra bonus. So we really have 4 new stamp sets. I'm very excited to share these stamp sets with you because I really just kind of like had to have them and I really wanted them bad. So I created them for you and for me because I am a stamper too. So that's why our stamps do so well, because they're created by a stamper. Are you ready to see the new stamp sets? Here we go. I never know which one to show first. So I think I'll show this one because this one was very, very highly requested and I finally got around to doing it, and it's perfect timing because the holiday is coming up. It's a St. Patrick's Day stamp set. So it's called Shamrocks for Us. Here we go. Look at this. We have one great big huge large shamrock. Then we have a solid little one with, of course, the outline because the 2-step stamping. Then we have a dotted one, and then I added the swirl from the Swirls to Build stamp set. That swirl set is very popular. And every once in a while you will see that swirl pop into some of the stamp sets because it's so much fun. Then we have the 3 little tiny ones over here and a couple little different ones over there. And it says, Happy St. Patty's Day. Kiss me, I'm Irish, at least for today. So that's a separate stamp set. And this one is really sweet. Wherever you go, whatever you do, may the luck of the Irish be there with you. And that's an Irish blessing. So isn't that sweet? And then, of course, what shamrock set would be complete without a pot of gold? But this pot of gold is a little different. You'll notice that it's a pot of shamrocks. Isn't that adorable? So color those green or color them gold colored. It's up to you. This stamp set's sure to be very popular. And I have a couple samples to share with you in just a minute. Now, the next one is a fun one because the Sympathy for You stamp set is a very popular stamp set. It's one of those stamp sets where it's just phrases and it talks about, I'm so sorry, your thoughts are with my thoughts are with you, things like that. Well, I had a lot of requests for the exact same type of stamp set, but for birthday. So here you go. It is called Greetings for Birthday, and it has a whole bunch of different greetings. So for the inside of the card, for the outside of the card, or for both, it's up to you. So here we have, happy birthday. May all your dreams come true. So that's one stamp set. Then the next one says, did you know? And so that could be on the outside. And then on the inside, you could say, calories don't count on your birthday, so eat lots of cake. I always say that. Calories don't count on any holidays or your birthday. So there you go. Here's another one. A true friend remembers your birthday, but not your age. Just how old are you? So that could be on the inside or it could be by itself. And then a little tiny happy B-Day, because sometimes you just need a little tiny sentiment. Here's another one. Happy 29th birthday. Again. The secret to staying young is to live honestly, eat slowly, and lie about your age. And that's a quote by Lucille Ball. I loved her, so that's a fun phrase. Here's another one. You might have to grow older, but you don't have to grow up. It's a good one. And then another large happy birthday. So fun. Lots of good sentiments and phrases on that one. Now, the next 2 stamp sets I'm very excited about because they coordinate with our Stamp of the Month set, which is Butterfly to Build. So here was the club set that we had, and you can purchase it separately even if you're not a club member. But these big pieces, the wing pieces of the butterfly, fit creations to fill. So if you have a butterfly, you really have to have a dragonfly. Am I right? I'm right. So those wings from this set go directly into this dragonfly. Now you'll notice there's some flowers over here. Well, the small wings from the butterfly set go into this flower. I'm really trying to make sure that you use all of your stamps when you go stamping. So then this petal here can go into this one. And then I took it a step further and made a smaller flower with smaller petals over here. Then this flower here is so much fun. I'm going to show you a sample really quick. But you can use the smaller petal here, but then also there's different tips. So then you can add different tips in a different color. Oh, so much fun. Now you're saying, gosh, these wings are really fun. I wish I could make a great big huge flower. Well, of course I thought of that because I wanted the exact same thing. So here's a mini stamp set that goes with it that makes a great big huge flower. Don't you just love that? Now I know I'm running out of time, but I want to show you this really quick because it's really fun. So on this stamp set, let me get this. I want to show you this because it's really, really cool. I'm just going to pull this out really quick. So here's my little flower, and I want to make sure that I can show you this. So I'm going to stamp that right there. So that's the little piece. But then it has little tips. Remember I mentioned that? So I'm going to stamp this right on top of that. Now, I kind of messed up because I'm going upside down. But you can kind of get an idea of how cute that's going to be when it's all done. So let me show you some samples, okay? I'm trying to go too fast here. Okay, so here's some for the shamrocks for us. These are by Beverly. I love on this one how she stamped a cute, she made her own little borders on this set just by using the little shamrock. Then it says Happy St. Patty's Day. Then she has the cute little thing right there. Isn't that adorable? Here's another one. Now she used this from our last month's stamp set, and she, instead of using the hearts on there, she punched out little shamrocks to go on top. Kiss Me, I'm Irish. And then down at the bottom, At Least for Today. Isn't that adorable? And then again, here she made her own border using the shamrocks. Now this one is using the Greetings for Birthday, and she used her Eclipse machine by Sizzix, because you know that's my favorite electronic cutter. And it says calories don't count on your birthday, so eat lots of cake. Happy B-Day. Isn't that cute? Now, here we get into some very huge creativity. Dare to be different. So she used the flower from Creations to Fill right here. Then she stamped them in various colors. So here we have the yellow, and she used the little dots. Actually, she used the dots, I think, from this one. Maybe no, maybe she used the dots from that one. Dots from that one. Oh, I see what she did. She's trying to trick me. So she used the larger petal from this one to do the background, and then she used the smaller dot in this a little bit darker of an ink. And if you can see really, really close, we'll have to get a close-up. You can see how adorable that is. There's an extra layer of ink there. So cute. Now this one is so stunning, and really actually very easy. She used the little flower right here, and she just stamped it and embossed it in a row and just says, thanks so much. Now this one is beautiful. Thanks so much, thanks so much, thanks so much, all the way down. And then she stamped this flower and cut it out, and then used one of the little tiny petals all the way around. Adorable. Now this one is, she was thinking on this one. Here she used the petal from the stamp set, but this little ladybug is from the Minis for Circles stamp set. So she literally created that on her own. Isn't that adorable? So lots of fun stamp sets. The price, club price for the larger stamp sets is $10.95 plus shipping. Smaller is $8.45 plus shipping. And if you're not a club member, how come? You need to be. But if you're not and you decide not to become a club member, your cost on this is $9.95 and $12.95. Still a deal any way you look at it. So thank you so much. I can't wait for you to get these in your hot little hands because they are so much fun. And make sure you check out our gallery because our design team has uploaded tons more projects for you to get ideas from. Okay, I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.